Hi everyone, this is Susan Allen, and this video answers the question, how do I keep my kids off drugs? There is no more serious question to be answered in the world today. Because your children have been suffering in some way, you have this thought, or because your children are going to school with other kids who are making dangerous decisions, you have this thought. The key is to really solve two different problems. If children or teens have a problem with school and grades, they may be really tempted to drugs and alcohol. If they have a problem with kids and finding friends and keeping friends, or problems at home where they don't get along, or with siblings, that's another equal cause. So you want to really understand that you have to motivate and inspire them and basically love them away from drugs and alcohol. In the old days, we used to think that we could just use tough love and it would be the best idea, or the police force could frighten them, or they'd end up going to jail and somehow they would learn. Well, the world has really changed. I have a lot of videos on this topic at this channel. Please take the time to watch them if this is a topic that's important to your family. And if you need to motivate your children or teens away from drugs and alcohol, please take a look at my website, susanallen.org. Look at this video training that's being offered there. It will teach you how to motivate and inspire not only your teens, but anybody and everybody. And this is the most important moment of your life, to keep your kids safe. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please let us know. And like the other videos that you watch here. And thank you so much. This is Susan Allen. See you soon.